How to set a Vigoro 2-zone water timer. The Vigoro 2-zone water timer connects to one water faucet but allows users to connect two different hoses to it and water two different areas at different times. It is useful if you do not have installed sprinklers or if you don't have many outdoor faucets to use. The Vigoro 2-zone water timer runs on batteries with a backup supply you can install as well. See reference 1. Things you will need: water faucet, hoses. Place the batteries into the Vigoro 2-zone water timer. Press the black button above Zone 1 and Zone 2 in order to set the start time of your water timer. The time you put in the batteries is your set start time. Each time you press the buttons, it adds an hour to the start time. Press the buttons until you have added the hours you want for your water timer's start time. This time will be the same every day. See reference 2. Press the numbers in the wheels under Zone 1 and Zone 2 to determine the water duration and the watering frequency. Every number under watering frequency stands for hours out of 12. The numbers in the watering duration wheel stands for minutes out of 60. Select the numbers you want for the duration and frequency of both zones. See reference 2. Screw the Vigoro 2-zone water timer to the outdoor faucet you want to use. Screw two hoses to the Vigoro 2-zone water timer's hose faucets. See reference 2. Place the hoses in the proper area of your yard. Turn the water faucet on about halfway. See reference 2.